2025 Prelim SCGS Paper 1 Booklet A, Question 9. The bar graph below shows the number of students participating in CCA activities of the school. 8 more students participated in English Drama Club than in Art Club. How many more students participated in dance than in netball? Okay, let's focus on English and art for now. Okay, English, art. Okay, what is the difference? The difference. Okay, how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps. Equals to, what's the difference? 8. Okay, now we can calculate from here. 1 gap equals to 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So 1 gap equals to 2 students. What is our question? How many more students participated in dance than in netball? Dance and netball. Can we see the difference? Okay, this is the difference. 3 gaps. So 3 gaps equals to 3 times. What's 1 gap? 1 gap is 2. Okay, 3 gaps is 6. 6 more students participated in dance than in netball. So option number 1.